rough sketch, this is a cubic function that passes through 1, so it looks like this. We're looking for a line which passes through the origin and is tangent to this cubic function. So it should look something like that. Okay, so let's find the derivative. Okay. And here, if we haven't learned chain rule, we actually have to expand that. So we get x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. So that's this bracket fully expanded using Pascal's triangle. Okay, so using the sum rule and the power rule, we get 3x squared minus 6x plus 3 for the derivative. Okay, so suppose they intersect. Okay, the tangent line is at A. So the derivative expression will be 3a squared minus 6a plus 3. So if this is a, the y value is of course a minus 1 cubed. Okay, with the origin, the expression for this slope will be a minus 1 cube over a, rise over run. Okay, this should equal to this. Okay, with that, with this equation, we can find what a is. Okay, so keeping in mind that a cannot be 0, let's cross multiply, or multiply both sides by a. Okay, so this, we already expanded up here. Okay, so let's collect these two, and you get 2a cubed. Collect these two, you get minus 3a squared. These two cancel out, minus 1. Actually, this should be minus 1, so this is plus 1. Okay. It looks like I made a mistake here as well, but it didn't matter because if you differentiate a constant, you get a 0. So this is factorable using x is equal to 1. So 2, negative 3, synthetic division here. Multiply, negative 1, add, multiply. So it factors to a minus 1 and 2a squared minus a minus 1. This is factorable to 2a plus 1 and a minus 1. So you get a is equal to 1 or a is equal to negative half. Okay. So here's 1. So this does give you a single intersection point, but it's not a tangent. Okay, so we have to pick this one. A is equal to negative half. So find the equation with the tangent lines through the origin that are, okay, so once we have the fact that it's a equals negative half, okay, that means x is negative half. The y, we can just plug it in here. So it's negative 3 over 2 cubed. So that gives you negative 27 over 8. Okay, and the slope, okay, slope, we can plug it in right here. Okay, when a is equal to negative half. So it's 1 over 4 minus 6 negative half plus 3. So 6 and 3 over 4, okay, or is that 27 over 4? Slope point, I'm going to use a point slope form. So it's y plus 27 over 8, m is equal to 27 over 4, x, okay, minus this is plus half. Okay, if you want, you can isolate y to get y equals mx plus b form.